Hello, good evening. My name is Adedapo Michael Sunday. I am a student of Adekunle Ajasin University. By the special grace of God, I am the CEO of Dleading Web Design Limited. So in this tutorial, I will be teaching you how to design a portfolio website, having a personal website and a portfolio website. Now, what is personal website? A personal website is a website that is used for personal purpose, while a portfolio website is a website that is used to showcase your work. So I'll be teaching you how to design a personal website, and let me show you the example of what I mean. So now this is my portfolio website, and you can see this is my name, my web designer, digital content creator, business coach. This is my skill, what I do. This is my picture, about me section. This is a one-page website, web design, blah 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 blah. Can you see? So this is the example of what I mean. So I will be teaching you how to do something like this. So at the same time, because I'll be making this work so fast. If you look at this, you see a lot of pages, but it's just a one-page website. If you click on this place, you take it to this place. If you click on this place, you take it to this place. So that is an example of one-page website. So without wasting much of our time, I've created a subdomain website, subdomain that I'll be using for this website. Now, so we'll be using some themes and some plugins. So let's go to we'll be using abstract themes. The first thing we need to do now is to install our theme. So let's click on themes. You come to appearance and you click on themes. So it will take you to this place. So once you come to this place, click on add new. You can click on this add new or click on this add new. So I can click on any one, and I will type Astra here. And just this Astra. Once you type this Astra, it will show you this thing. Just click on install. So after installing, click on activate. So once you activate, we'll be needing some plugin. So one of the first plugin will be, let's go to plugin and add the plugin we want to use. So just click on plugin and click on add new. Now plugin we should just click on the first plugin we'll be needing is Elementor. Immediately you type it, you click on install now. This is Elementor. You click on install now. Let me open this one because we'll be needing this one. So let me open it in a new tab. So after that, you click on activate. Okay. Let me install this one. I've installed this one now. Let me activate it. I just want to make the work so fast. That is why, because we'll be needing Elementor and we'll be needing essential add-on. You can easily activate this one from here or come to this place and activate it. Can you see? Any of the two. If you look at this place, you realize that there's a place called, there's an Instagram place. Like this place. Can you see? This is my Instagram store. So this is I link it in my website. You can follow me from my Instagram store. So let's come to this. We'll be needing Instagram plugin. You just click on add new. Now you click on Instagram feed. This is it. Once you type Instagram feed, it will show you this thing. Small balloon social photo feed. Just click on install. In case you type Instagram feed and it will not show you, just type small balloon store. Click on activate. So if we click on our site, can you see this is how it looks like? It's not that looking fine. It's not looking fine. So firstly, before I go do anything, I will need to create a page. And I will call the name of the page home page. Let me just click on new and click on page. I want to add new pages so that I can start doing something. Just close this one, you don't need it. Now, what is the title? Just type it home. Once you type it, just go down here, create attribute and click on attribute. You click on, once you click on page attribute, you see template. Don't choose default, just choose Elementor full width. Once you click on Elementor full width, click on publish and publish again. So once you are done, our page is published. But once you come to this place, I want to view our site for you. Can you see now? This is the home page. Why this is the sample page? So anything we do now, it will be here. So you see this empty website. So without wasting much of our time, let's go and design our website. Let's go to our admin page. This page. You can click on edit with Elementor. Or if you did not see, if you are, maybe probably you have closed this page. For example, now maybe I have closed this page now. I can come to this my blog dashboard. I can come to my dashboard. Once I get to my dashboard, you know this is my dashboard. Once I get to my dashboard, I'll click on Elementor pages. You see all pages. Click on all pages. Once I click on all pages, firstly, I don't want this two, so I need to delete this two. I don't want this two here. I don't need them. I'll just click on move to trash. I don't want them here, and I'll click on apply. Now it will only stop here. So I can easily click on edit. Can you see? I can easily click on edit. And once I click on edit, it will take me to this page. And from this page, I can set edit with Elementor. Can you see? This is it. And I click on it. It's loading. Let's wait for it to load. Now, if you notice, this is our blog website. This is it. Now, if you want to do anything, you can just click on this place, add one section. I just want to do some little example for you because I already have a template that I will be using, and I'll be giving you guys the template so that you can also use, so that you can help your work. And you can click on this place, and you come back and you can put an heading, drag it. You just drag it to this place, and you can just say I'm a data for my care. You can just come here. You can edit it from here, and at the same time you can edit it from here. Just highlight it. All I need to do is just to highlight this thing and type data for Michael Sunday. Now, if you look at this, this is not that fine. You can just come here, click on these 6 dots, and click on it. It will ask you, just click. Okay, got it. Now, once you come to this place, just come to this style. And once you come to this style, you will see this background color. We have background color, we have overlay, we have shape divider. You can use classic or video. If you look at this website, you will see a video here. But if you view it on your mobile phone, you will see picture. I will tell you because most of the time, mobile phone might not be able to load this video. So I've made video picture the alternative. So you can just go to, how do I get this video? I went to YouTube and I copied some video. So I'll be teaching you how you can go about it in case you don't know. Let me just click on here and type in YouTube. Let me just type anyone. I can just type for Sky. Let me just Sky video. Okay, let me just type for Sky. Yeah, I think I love this. Now, for example, I want to pick this one. I will just come here and click on.
What's wrong with you? You stuck, are ya?
I just click on share. Once I click on share, I will copy this link. Now I copied this link. Now come to this place. This is how I did with Elementor. Now if I'm using video, it doesn't mean I want to use video. I will just put my YouTube video here. Control V. And I can set the time to start 10 seconds. I can just say okay, by 1, and I want it to be just maybe like I can just say 10 seconds. Now you see you are not seeing all these things, so I will just scroll down. Now I will need to add alternative picture in case if this video is not showing, but don't worry, I will show you what I mean. Let me just come to my select file. I have some picture of, let me just copy all this picture. So let's wait for it to upload. Now this is the picture I want to use. If you view my website on your mobile phone, this is the picture you will be seeing, and I will just, you can change it to, okay, yeah, I've resized it. And if you want to resize the picture, just come to this. I will show you later, sir, because of the time. So let me just insert this picture. I've inserted it now. So it's an alternative store. So you see that this is the way it's showing. So let me just show you how to go about it. Now, you know, this is how our stuff is showing, which is not nice. How will we be using this thing? There's video here and there's picture. So what we need to do is just come to your, oh, what happened to my mouse? Let me use my laptop mouse. Yeah. Now this is what it's showing. You just click on, you come to your layout. Once you come to your layout, come to this height. This height section. Now click on default and click on minimum height. So once you click on, can you see now? It's showing all this stuff. So from here, you can click on this tab and you can bring it to the middle. And once you bring it to the middle, you can add any, you can change the background. Maybe probably you don't want. You can change the text color to white. Can you see? It's looking so nice here now. And you can change the typography at the front. But most of the time, I love to stick with the default. So I love the default. So I won't change the default. And you can take the text shadow. Maybe you want the text shadow. You can change the color here. Okay, okay. Let's put it. It's a blur. It's okay. By this. You can also. I don't like using, let me just use normal and get away. Now, because let me also show you some things again. You can add margin to all these things. Maybe you want to, can you see? The more I increase it, the more it goes up again. That is what we call margin. You can add it, and at the same time, you can add padding to it. It make it still look somehow good. And once you are done with this, let me also show you some things. Motion effect. You can do anything you want to do here. You can do anything. But most of the time, I don't like doing some things here. Now let me also show you some things again. This background. I don't know what is happening to my mouse. Now, once you click on this background, yeah, I think my mouse is functioning well now. You can come to this style. My mouse, what is happening to you? Now this is the video stuff. You can click on background overlay, and you can pick a color here, plastic. You can just pick the color and make it dark. Can you see that it's dark? It's dark more. The video is darkening the more. It's dark more. So this white text will be able to show on it. I hope you are getting something. And you can, after that, you can click, and you can also come to this border. If you want to have border to it, because I don't like, you can come to this shape divider. This shape, you can just click on bottom. Yeah, you can just click on. There's a lot of things here. You can click on mountain. Can you see how it look like? You can come here again and click on cloud. Can you see? You can just come again and click on triangle. A lot like that. You can use a lot. There's some crazy there's some crazy stuff here that you can use. Can you see? You have a lot of things. You can use a lot, and a lot. So after that, you can, yeah, this is what I use in the video. If you look at this stuff, let me scroll down. Can you see? So I'm just trying to show you, because this is not what I want to use, but I'm trying to show you, and at the same time you can create another header and go along with it. So do you understand what I mean? Now if you have viewed this thing on mobile phone, it will be showing. Let me if you want to view how you want to view how it will look on mobile phone. Now you see you are seeing video here, but most of the time if you are checking it on your phone, if your phone is not that strong, you will not be seeing video here, you will be seeing a picture. Now let us assume I did not, let me come back to desktop. Background. Let us assume I use last thing. Now, and let me come here and pick this image. Can you see? So most of the time I can just come here, position, center. Repeat. Attachment. I love it to be fixed. So when I scroll down, can you see? When I scroll down, it's fixed. Nothing is changing. Can you see? The picture is still fixed. It's fixed. But if I put it in scroll, so whenever I scroll down, it scroll. Can you see? So the picture is not that fixed. So most of the time I love using fixed. So we can also add another section here again. Yeah, you can still do some things now. You know, you need to type your name, what you do. So either for you to start, come in here again. You can pick another text and adding it to this place and start doing it. But you still need to add what you have added to this thing. You still need to add it to it. That is just a wasting of time. You can just let me delete this one. You can just click on this place and duplicate. Further. So once you duplicate, you can just type what you are doing here. And just type web designer. Digital content creator. Business coach. Now the only thing you just need to do is that, you know, this one is somehow large, stuff like that. And just come to this place. Typography. Let me content. Okay, come to the advanced. No. Now you see that this one has changed a little bit. So what I do is that I come to style, and when you come to style, you see text color. You don't need to go to this place. This white, you want it to be white. You see typography. Can you just click on this icon? It will show you all these things. So you now come to the size here. You can just, can you see, you can reduce it, can you see, I can reduce it to anything you want, can you see now? So I think I love it like this at 18, or let me say maximum of 20, no, 15 is okay, huh? 15 is okay, or let's make it at 18. Now can you see, and from there, and I hope you've seen what I mean here now. Let me show you my stuff here. Can you see? So without wasting much of our time, we can just go like that. So actually I will not be using this stuff. I'm just using this one as an example for you. So let's go straight to the one I wanted to use, so that you guys, so that you can start doing. I have a template I will be using, and I'll be giving you the template in case you, so that you can also use it, so that you can make your work so fast because of time. And you know, as a web designer, what makes you a professional web designer is your creativity and the time you are spending on each work. So I will delete all this section. Now I've deleted it now. All I need is to do, I'll close this one. I need to click on this, add a template. And once I add a template, it will take me to this place where you can also pick from any page from here. You can also pick any page from here. You can pick the one you like. But I will this one we are not, in case you don't have a team. Maybe you don't want to use a team. Elementor allow you to use some templates here, and at the same time you also see some of them are pro, so these two are not free, and while some of them are free. You can use this one, you can use this one, you can use a lot. You can see Elementor allow you to use some things like free like that. So without wasting much of our time, I will just come to this place and I will click on import templates. So this icon, can you see this icon? I will just click on import templates. Once I click on import template, it will ask me to select the file. So I will click on select file. And this is it. This is my my template. This is the file I want to use. I will click on it and I will click on open. So let me wait for it to load. Now this is the template. I will also be giving you the templates. Don't worry with that. I will be giving you the template so that I can use it. So just click on insert. So and the next thing is that you'll be changing your stuff. So let's wait for it. Can you see? Now this is it. Can you see now? I hope you're getting what I mean now. So what we need to do is just to start editing our page. That is all. That is all. Without wasting much of our time, I will just try to do some editing. I will just come here, put my name here. Or you just click on it. Once you click on it, like this, it will take you. It will open in this place, and you change it to add data for Michael. Let me use add data for Michael Sunday. Now you can also replace this place. You know, you can click on this place, and this is where you put in your work, what you've done. Just come here and say I'm a web designer. And you come here again, I'm a digital content creator. Oh Lord, I need it. Digital content creator. And if you like, maybe that is the little things you do. You can just click the other one and it's done. So what I just really want to show you in this is that I want to show you something. You know, this is a video that we put here. Don't worry, it will show the network is what's causing this. Just click on this edit section. Once you click on it, you take it to this place and come to style. This is the link of the video I put in. This is the link. If you have your own link, you can come and copy it and paste it here. It will work fine. But this is the one I use here. So, and you just scroll down, because in case this is, now you know I told you that this is the network now. Can you see now the network is not making it to show? So in case of this, you can just come here and put an image here. Click this image. So this image will be the one showing most of the time, and you click on update. So if you come back to this my blog website up there and you refresh, the network is alright. Okay. Can you see? Can you see? No, I told you most of the time the video is not loading. Can you see now? The video has loaded now. Can you see? Now, and from there you can move forward. Now there's something that happened here. You realize that when I click on display, this is the website link, and I press enter, it's not taking me, it's not showing. Do you know the reason why? Because when you have not yet set it to the normal place. That is when I click on the home page. But let me just go to let me just move forward and I'll come to customize, and I will just scroll down to my home page setting, and I will click on this home page setting, and I'll make it a static page, and I will select the page I want to use, home, and I will save it. So once I save it, and I will close this page. Now can you see now automatically it's showing. Now if I click on this place and I press enter, it automatically take me to this page again. Can you see now? Now we understand what I mean. Now let's move forward. No, it's not showing it. That is the work of the network. So don't mind this one, just forget about that. Now about you here, you can just come here and put your picture. Actually, you know, I told you I will be showing you this picture. I've resized it. Just click on it and enter it to show your picture here. And you can write about something about you here. You can write something about you here. Now, you know, this is a one-page website. So one-page website, I'll be telling you something that you need to do. But after as we get to the place, I'll be showing you. Now this is just a button. This button is can you see? Immediately I click on the button, view my portfolio. Immediately I click on this button, it takes me to my. This is where my portfolio started, and the reason why is because I had an anchor here. This is the anchor. Can you see? The anchor is talking about video. So my video will be now. I will teach you what I mean. Let me take it step by step so that we won't get ourselves. We won't mistake ourselves. Now if you click on this one now you just leave it. You have done with this one. You can add what you want people to see about. You can add it to this place. And how do you add this? You click on this. Once you click on this place, it take you and you will add. You will delete this one. Can you see? You can delete it and type what you want to type there. So that is not a problem. And you will move forward again. What do you want people to see? What are you doing? You are doing. I am a web designer. Can you see when I click on video, it takes me to the video aspect. Now, let me just edit this video. Since I'm using digital content creator. Digital content creator. And I'll copy this link. You can just write what you want others to see in you. Like for example, if you want others to see some chairs, you can just come here and type what you want people to see you. If you look at my website here now, if you scroll down, I type, okay, I'm a student of everything I just invest in the studio of the web design, blah 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 blah. So this my complete belief is to make the type of website that the majority business want. Blah blah. I just type something that is nice. And I will change it. If you want to change all these things, you can change it. I will show you how to go about it. So let's come back to our stuff here. What do you want to see now? You know, you can, yeah, you want to change this icon. Maybe this is the icon I want to use for here. Let me come to this place. Now you can change the icon. If you want to change the icon, you can just say digital. You can just search for any icon you want. Let me just search for digital. Now this is digital. If you look at that, what I use, you can just click on it and insert. Automatically, can you see the icon automatically reflect here? And so you can do anything. But you see that there's a cursor here. This is change video. So once I click on video here, it will take me. Now the reason why is once I click on this thing, it's taking me. If I click on this place now, it's taking me to this place. is because I have the cursor here that is telling this thing. This is what we call anchor. Rather, let me just change this button. Digital content creator. Now I can change the anchor to any other thing. You know, this video like this, I can change it to anything. So because this is a video section, so once I click on here, it should take me to this place. And let me just show you some other things again. This picture, I don't want it. And once you click on picture, it's taking you to this picture aspect. That is because I have programmed it in such a way. All you need to do is just to put your picture. But since we are not using picture here, I will this is just the button of the picture we'll be using here. But let me take it step by step so that you can understand all what I mean. So firstly, I will need to change this icon because the third one actually we inputted two things. Okay, let me come here. Let me just make it still. Let me just type maybe writer. Okay, let me get the copywriter. 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 And copywriter. So from there, now I can just call this aspect now. I can just call it copywriter. And if you don't mind, if you don't want this aspect, you can click on this icon and delete it. You just right click. Can you see? You can delete it if you don't want it. If you don't want it, you can delete it. So that's it. So that you won't think maybe I know you can delete everything you don't want there. Let me just type on write. Now we see something like writing. Let me type a copyright. Let me just use this one for now. This one I just doing training. So and I will change the name to copywriter. Let me just copy this here, this stuff here. Control C. Come to this place. You took me down. So I'll just come here and change the name. Control video, copywriting. So everybody click on this page, it take me to the segment. So I'll just change here again this button to copywriting. Copywriter or copywriting. Don't mind my English, please. This is video tutorial. We are just doing something. Now we are done with display. Now I told you that you can add what you want to display. You will add what you want. You will also add what you want to display. You add what you want. You also add what you want to display. It depends on you. You know. Actually, you have seen what I write. I wrote some things in my own, and this is it. You can see what I wrote. This is what I wrote. This is what I wrote. This is what I wrote. So just do the same with yours. So at the same time, after that, you can come to display. This is the digital content creator, and you know, as a digital content creator, you need to have some. At least you must be creating maybe like video tutorial or like maybe you have an ebook you are writing. So in this aspect, you can delete this aspect. This is just a video stuff. This is an icon box. This is just each aspect now is a video box here. So all you can do is that you can just come here. If you come to this place, you click on edit rather. This is a video stuff, and you come to if you are using YouTube video, you can click on YouTube, and maybe you have a video on your laptop. You can click on self-hosting video. So once you click on self-hosting video, it will ask you to call to upload your video. Can you see upload the video you want? Now I can choose the video I want from my mobile from start. I can come and just select file. Maybe I have the video on my laptop. I can come and search for where I have the video on, but I won't be using it because most of the time uploading video from your laptop is not good because it makes your hosting your website slowing. I don't want that. I don't want my website to be slow. If you notice me on my website has been fasting. So if from there you can, and maybe you have different video and you want people to see all the video, you can just come here, click on it, right click and duplicate. Can you see another one here? You can come here again, duplicate. And if what you want here is picture, is picture. Maybe you want to add an image. Maybe you write a book and you want to add image to it. I just come to this place. Let me just come to this place. And maybe I have an image. I will just drag it down. I will just, can you see? I will just drop it. Automatically you drop here. And I think I have one of my books, the one I wrote. So let me just. My books. Where are my books? Yeah. Let me. Digital content creator. Yeah, this book. Now I wrote it recently. And in this book, you'll be learning how to create a video tutorial. You'll be learning how to write an ebook. You'll be learning how to sell a course, how to sell it, how to create a digital product, and how to sell it and stuff like that. You'll be learning a lot of things. You'll be learning a lot of things from this book. And I sell it 5,000 naira, but presently I'm running a promo. If you're interested, you can chat me up, or you can call me on 0903538227 and I can send the book to you. Now, so this is just a picture of the product you're doing. And maybe if you think it's too light, you can change it to medium. So it depends on what you want. I'm just teaching you all these things. So in case you don't want video, that is why I'm showing you all these things. So you can also see how to create this thing. So I will just be big. I will just create Ctrl Z. Okay. If Ctrl Z is not doing, Ctrl Z is to undo. So most of the time, if you want to delete something, you want to back it now. I'll just delete this too. Thank God I've shown you how to go about it. You can add anyone you want. And if you want to add a YouTube video, I've shown you, just come to this place, copy this YouTube video, the YouTube video you want, copy it, and come to this place, your Elementor, and paste, maybe like for this one now, maybe what you want to do. Let me just go up so that we can edit it. Maybe you want to change this video, maybe you have a video on your YouTube channel. You just come to this place, one time, and you delete it, and you paste in your own. Automatically, can you see? This is your own video now. That is how to go about it. So, without wasting much of our time, if you have a YouTube channel, you can come to this place. You can go and copy your YouTube channel. This is someone else's YouTube channel. But actually, my own probably I've not been uploading videos on my YouTube channel because I'm just so busy with some work and some activities. So you can come after. You can come back. You can come to your YouTube channel, copy the link, paste it here. Once people click on, people can easily subscribe to your stuff here. So after that, let's move forward. Copywriting, yeah. Sorry for don't mind my English. So you can also add a video. Now, in this digital content creator, you can add the image at the background. You see that I've made some image space here. You can add the image to make the work look so nice. And just click on here and come to style. Once you click on style, you see background. Just click on classic. Or if you want to use video, you can use video. If you want to use slider, maybe you want to use slider, you can use anyone. So I love using classic a lot. I love it a lot. Just click on classic and you click on choose image. And let me just pick. Okay, what can I pick? Who can I pick? Okay, let me use this guy. This handsome guy. So can you see? I've make it fit that when you are scrolling down, the image remain fit. And the reason is because I love this image. It makes something look so gorgeous. So let me also show you. Now, if you want people to follow you on Instagram and just to like you, you can come here and put in your Instagram link here. And then you just click on this place. You will see your Instagram. This one is not my Instagram story. So you can just put your Instagram link here. And once you put your Instagram link here, people will be able to follow you. Make sure you change this thing, though. Because if you did not change it, make sure you change it to your own. Because if you did not change it to your own, people will be following someone else. So make sure you change it to your own Instagram link. I hope you understand me. So you copy your own Instagram link and just paste it there. Once you paste it there, so once people click on this one, it will take you to your own Instagram store. Let me just show you what I mean. Do I have an Instagram account? Instagram. Let me show. Can I be log into my? Do I know my password? My password. Okay. See, thank God. Yeah. Let me just click on my picture. Now, once I click on my picture, you see now once I click on my picture now, you see most of this thing here. And when if you come to my my website portfolio here, you see most of my recent stuff. And this is because I've linked my Instagram with my stuff here. So let me just come back to this place. So I'll just copy this link. Control C. I'll come back to my here to here. I will just paste it here. I'll delete this one, clean it, and I'll paste in my own. Control V. And I will click on update. So anytime you come to this place, let me refresh. Can you see what I mean here? Can you see the changes have been made here now? So now if I click on this stuff now, it automatically take them to, can you see, take them to my account. So that is how to go about it. I'm just showing you guys because actually I just need to be, I hope you're getting something because I want you guys to have the full understanding of what I mean here. So if you notice again, there's a call for here again, anchor here again, that leads to web design. So anytime you want, since we are doing one page website, so whatever you want people to always, maybe you want, if you want page website, you want people to come to this section, you put an anchor at the top of the section. This is the new section now. This is the new section. So I will just put my anchor at the end of it. Now you see something here. If you look at this place now, there is no anchor here. But I'll still come and do it. Let me even do it now. Let me do it fast now. Let me come here. I'll just come here. I'll just come here. Type I anchor. A and C. This is the menu anchor. I'll just bring it here and I will drop it at the end of this store. Can you see? So, and I will call it about me. I can just call it about. Mind you, if you are using it, don't use capital letter and small letter. You make sure you use small letter or capital letter or small letter or. So what I use anchor here, whenever I create my page and people are searching for about me, it automatically take them to this place. Don't worry, you understand what I mean. Now let's move forward. Now this is your design. You know, at the web design now, you know what we mean. You must have some things like this. If you don't want any of the page, you can click on this place and delete them. Right click and delete them. You don't want, left click rather, and delete anything you want to delete. So you can add your text here. You can add your text here. You can add your text here. Anything you want to do, you can do it here. You can do anything here. If you want to increase the size, anything you want to do here, you can do them here. And you know, in my website here, I put a picture here. I put some picture here. Can you see some picture? These are them. So let me just come back to my Elementor. Now I can come here and put the picture. These are the picture. I've uploaded the picture here. Let me just do that fast now. So actually, it's just for the training sake. I'll come here again. Let me click on them and upload. Let me come to the top. This again. This one. And I also click on the picture and I will upload. Now I promise to show you something. If you want to resize your picture, just come to photo.com. So this photo.com, in this place you'll be able, let's wait for it to load. Now you can edit your picture here. Let's assume you want to edit a picture, and sometimes you may not be able to get picture, like you know the picture I use here. Now if you want to do anything now, just close this one. We are not interested in it. Just click on edit post a picture. Maybe the size, because most of the time I advise you not to use too much of any picture that is less than, any picture that is too heavy. Don't use it because it will be making your website too slow. Maybe you want to what do I call it? Maybe you want to reduce the size of the picture, and that will still maintain the same size. You can just come here and click on, for example, I can click on this one. I'm waiting for it to load. So now if you look at this now, you see that the dimension is 2000 times 3000, so it's too large. So I will just open it, and once I open it, this is the size. I will just come here and resize it and come to scroll down. I'll just click on resize. So once I click on resize, the number one, if you are using anything, just make sure you use 900. You can use 900 by 600. And you click on apply. So automatically the stuff is done. So once it's done, you can download it. If you want to download it, just click on display. And once it will ask you to sign in and stuff like that, but in my own case, it won't ask me to sign because I've already signed in with them. So in your own case, it will ask you to sign and stuff like that, and you will sign within 2 minutes. You are done. And if you want to, maybe you need a picture. Maybe you don't have a picture to use, because you will notice there's a picture in my pizza bed. Just come to pizza bed. You just come and you get some picture. A lot of picture here. Please, yeah. You get a lot of picture here. You know, you will see some image in my website. You know, I use the image here. This is where I get the image. I just come here and click on standing man standing, FEANDING. So I click on it, and it will show me. You notice this is the one I use, and from here I download it. So that is all. You just search for what you want. So without wasting much of our time, let's go back now. Okay. This is where we are. Now I've done this. After done this, now you can change everything here. This is just a stuff. This is a code. You can get a code. So once anybody click on this, get a code, it will take them to contact us page. And the reason is because we have put an icon. There's an icon here. This is the menu icon, anchor, and I put in it contact us. So when anybody click on this, it will take us down to this place. So you can do that. It's very easy to do. Just I think I did it in the about us place. I just drag it and call it contact us, and it must be at the end of the contact us stuff here. So that's why I'm just showing you everything now. So from there, you can change this, and you can also change this code to contact us. You can come here and change this to, can you see? Get a code, and in the link they put hashtag contact. So which hashtag, whenever you are designing a website and it's a one-page website, you must make sure you put hashtag. This hashtag is telling us that this stuff is going to the place where we have a contact us page, a contact us section. It's just like you are giving it, you are labeling each section. So once you put hashtag now, and once anybody click on this get a code, it will take you to the contact us store, and that's why you must put a menu icon there. And the reason why we are doing all these things is because we are using one page. If you are using maybe you want to design, maybe you don't like one page website, you want to have like 3 page, 4 page, you don't need to do all these icons. In fact, you don't even need to use icon menu icon rather. So you can change it into contact us, contact me, just for a sample partner. So, and you can change the direction, you can change it. I hope you see now. But I love this the center one. So I hope you're understanding me. Now this place, this is an Instagram store, but we have an Instagram feed here, but we'll still go and do that very soon. So let's wait. So this contact us now. The only thing that remains in this place that we need to do is just to come here, change your phone number. If you want to change your phone number, just click on this store, and you click on this step, and you claim this one. I don't want you to go back, go away. 090 35 38 2271. That's the mobile number. You close it. You can change the icon. This is good. And if you want to, you close this stuff. Once you close it now, click on this contact us again. Put your mail here. Your mail, just put your mail. Let me use Adedapo Michael. Why should we be deleted? Okay, let me carry that for Michael. Michael 402 at gmail.com. gmail.com. And Michael 402 at gmail. So you mistake there. Yeah. Once you're done, you click on this, you click on it again, it will close it. Your address, just click on it and just click. Actually, I will just be using random address. Number 56, NTC Road. Okay, I'll do Ibadan. Now, once I'm done, I will click on this one. I'm done. So you realize that this is a contact us page. Let me show you what I mean by this my website. Now can you see this form here now? I'll be teaching you how to do this one and how to link your Instagram stuff to this. Now so you don't need to waste our time. Now let me show you how to go about the map. Now once I did this one, if you want to add anything to it, you can click on add. If you want to add your stuff here, you can just say what will you call this one? You can call this one WhatsApp. So you want people to WhatsApp you. And you change the icon library. This you just search for WhatsApp here. This is WhatsApp. Which one do we use? Anyone of it, I fit to do. This is WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp code. Let me use this one. And I'll just put my number here, my link here. That people can use to watch WhatsApp. So when they click on it, you take it to WhatsApp. If you want to put your WhatsApp link to your website, just type wa.me/ your phone number 993538271, and the number must be your WhatsApp number. So you click on update. So once you click on update, now it remains the last one here. Let me just click on this. Let me edit this map. If you look at this map now, you see that it's showing you New York map. So how to edit it? Just come here, click the New York, and enter your address. NTC. Just type NTC. That is my okay. Type your address rather, or where you're living. So once you type your address, now it will show the NTC. NTC is just a street in Ibadan. Now it will loading. So can you see this is to show you this is the nearest store. In NTC there is this is Resize school. This is the secondary school here. It is very close to NTC. This is just the map. You have seen the map here. Like I said, it's one of the streets in Ibadan. So when you click on update, I want to click on update. If you come here to refresh your website, just refresh it. You will see that your website, something has changed. A lot of things have changed. It's loading, so let's wait for it to load. The network is somehow slow. I'm sorry. At the same time, I'm attending to some of my. I have a client chatting me from Sweden. I'm sorry, so I needed to attend to him. Can you see it's still loading? That's why you're seeing all this thing. So you see that this thing has changed automatically. So once I click on this link, if I click on this and I open it in a new time, it will take me to my WhatsApp store, and you see the address is automatically changed to store like this. So immediately I click on this, it takes me to here. So if you are using your mobile phone and you have the WhatsApp on your store, it will automatically take you to this place because I have put in my WhatsApp code on it. So once I click on continue chat, I don't have a WhatsApp store on my laptop. But if you are using your phone, you can do it. It will automatically take you to the normal place where you start chatting with me. So that is just it. Now let me tell you how to go about this contact us form. Now we're still in this Elementor. Let's go to our dashboard. Let me click dashboard and show you something. In this dashboard, I will upload a form, and the name of the form is I will go and install a plugin. It's a form plugin. It's what we're using for. Just click on to plugin and click on add in. So once you click on it, just type WP form. WP form, it means WordPress form. is what will help you to have a contact form. This is it. This is the stuff here. Just click on install, and after installing, click on activate. I'm sorry for the network, it's somehow slow. So once just click on activate, it's what we'll be using to build our form in such a very good one. So you don't have a problem with that. I'll be taking it step by step. Just go down, and once you install it, you just click on create your form, your first form. If you are just using it, you can click on create your first form, or come to display and click on add name, any one of it. You can click on it. Just let me use this add name. You can use this one, or come to that place and use add name to create your form. And so this we should take it to display. Now, what is the name of your form? Let me just type in. Now, firstly, just pick. Don't use this black one. Just come and pick simple one. And maybe you want to start collecting a newsletter. You want people to sign up on your stuff and read. You can use this one. But I guess this is the best one you need to use as a businessman. Just click on it. Once you click on it, create a simple stuff. You just give you a simple stuff I wish you can use. And it automatically show you names, email, and message. Let us say you want to add another feed. You want to add another feed to it. You can just come here. Maybe you want to collect a number. You want to collect people's number. Just click on this number. Once you click on it, can you see? I mistakenly click on it twice. So I'll just come here and delete it. Yes, delete. Now this number, I can really drag this number to this place. So I will change this text. If I want to change this text, you know this ordinary number. If I want to change this text, I will just click on the number, and it will take me to this place, and I'll just put phone number. Can you see now? I'm done with it, and once I'm done, I will just click on create. Now this comment or message, I don't want it to be like, I want it to be ordinary message. I will click on it, and once I click on it, I will click this aspect and leave it like as a message. Now you notice this one is full. It's from here to this place, from here to this place. It's filled. It's full all this place. But this one is not. It's just an half stuff like this, which I don't like. I want everything to be from here to this place. So what I will just do is I will just click on it. Once I click on it, immediately I click on it, I will scroll down here. Can you see? And I come to advanced option. I'll click on advanced option and I will scroll down. Can you see? And I will click on this stuff, meaning medium, and I will change it to large. Can you see that it's automatically done now? Now if you look at all these places are put, you can notice some star here. You can notice some star here. You can notice some star here. Which means you make this stuff required. If they did not put it, they will not be able to submit their form. So, and at the same way, if I want to make this phone number required, whereby if people did not put their phone number, they will not be able to submit their phone, stuff like that. I will just click on this phone number and I will make it. Can you see? I will just come and tick this required. Can you see that automatically the star reflects here? Now it will allow everyone to make sure they enter their number and stuff like that. So I will now click on this advanced option again to make it a full width, and I will click here and make it large. Can you see automatically it's large? Do the same thing for the email field, and I will click on advanced option. And I will change this place to large. Yes, I'm fit to go. Now another thing I will teach you in this place is that I want to teach you, you can also change this submit, but let's leave it as submit. Let me also teach you some things again. Now you can change the form name to maybe, let me just use Adela for Mike or Adela for Mike. Now maybe you want maybe you want to change the button name to submit or send. You can change it to send, SEND. And now let me teach you something that you can save it. You need to save it here. So now you come to this place again, settle. I want to show you, okay, feed, sorry. setting. Okay. So in this setting, you need to come to this setting and click on notification. Notification here is to show you the where to send the mail to, so that whenever anybody send a mail to you, the mail will automatically just type your website here, your email here. Maybe just type data for Michael. Then just type data for o2@gmail.com. Maybe if you want it to send it to like 2 emails, all you need to do is just to put comma and enter the another email again. Let me just put Dleading training@gmail.com, and it will automatically send it to either from Michael@gmail.com and at the same time send it to this one. But most of the time I like using one, so I'm just showing you an example on how to go about it. And once I'm done, I will click on save changes. I will just click on save. So I will come back to I've saved it now. I will just come back to my Elementor. This is my Elementor, and I will click on this aspect. I'm sorry, it's all to show me. Maybe let me refresh. Okay, let me wait for it to load. Now, yeah, can you see what I mean now? So it was the network. So I'm sorry. Now, once you click on this stuff, initially before we're not seeing anything here because we have not yet created. We're just in contact stuff here because we have not yet created anything. But as soon as we created this form now, this form we have created it. You can exit it here. You have created it. You don't have any problem with this again. You see that can you see there are either for Michael form here now. So you come to your Elementor here and can you see select form? Can you see this either for Michael form? Once you click on it, just click on update. Can you see all the stuff? Can you see within some seconds the thing is done? So this is how to do it. Can you see without wasting much of our time, we have done with this. So that is how the only thing we need to do is to come to this place. This is our Instagram feed. If you click on edit this place, see that we have not yet connected our, can you see no connected account. So this is all we do. Let's go back to our dashboard and let's just go down to your, we have installed a plugin. The name of the plugin is called Instagram feed. And once you install the plugin, this you will see it here. Just click on, this is it. Just click on setting. Click on setting. Now, what you need to do is just to come and connect your account. Now I've connected my account this here with one of my websites. Okay, let me connect it again. It will work. Just click on connected and Instagram account. Click on it. It will ask you if it's personal or business. Make sure you just use personal. If it is business, they may charge you for some token amount of money. Now, to take it to another page, can you see? This is my area for my Michael Sunday. You previously linked blah 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 to you. I've linked it with this before. You now said, do I want to continue with it? I just go on continue. It will now show me the name of my store. So I will just click on connect this account. Can you see connect successfully? But in case maybe your own did not connect, you can use manual. You can use manual stuff here. The network is closed, right? So it will work. I am so sure about that. It will very work. So so if you get it does not work and use manual, but don't worry, it will work. You can connect your account automatically. You don't have a problem with that. So you can just do some setting here. That okay, how many stop you can just come here and reserve setting when plugin is removed. You can say yes and you can say no. That is your choice. And you can just set anything you want here. Anything you want. Anything you want. You can just tick it here and you can come to this customize. And maybe you want more than one social feed on your stuff. You want at least different stuff. And scroll down. You want to change the color, number of picture. Maybe you want like, let me just say like number of picture to show. And just say okay, 8 is okay, or 12. Let's use 12. How many columns? 4. Do you want it 4 or 3? Let me just use 3. You can just disable mobile layout. Just click on it, and I come to the header. You can select the color for the header if you like. Change the color. Anything you just like, you can do what you can do it. You want it to show follow button? Yes, of course we want it. I want it to show follow button. So once I'm done with this, all I need to do now, I will just click on save change. Okay, I'm sorry. You know, I make some changes here. Yeah. Anytime you are done with any section, just click on save changes. So if you come to this place and you click on apply, the changes we made will automatically reflect here. So let's wait for it to load. It's loading. Can you see now that automatically now we have seen our, you know, initially we are not seeing this thing. All we are seeing is that Dr. Ida for my care, all what we are seeing before is not connected. But now we are seeing something connected and we can see it, my account here. You can see load more and follow on Instagram. If not because of the service, it's supposed to show all my picture here. All my pictures supposed to show it. But since it's not showing, you can just click on update. Okay, we have clicked on that. You can just click, you can refresh it or update. Let me refresh it. It's supposed to show the picture. That's the network. The network is somehow slow. Let me click on reload. Let me wait for it to load. It's still showing the same thing, but you don't have a problem with it. All you need to do now is just come to your, let me just go to my site, just go on this site, go and visit your dashboard. So once we are done now, now can you see now? Before this, most of the time network will not be good, so it may not be able to load the video. But the first thing is it will show this picture. That's why there's need for you to always put picture if you are using video, so that now look at it now. Network is not showing now, but now the network is just good now. It just want to play the video now. So it's always good to use background video, background picture. Can you see now? Can you see all these pictures? They are not showing in the previous stuff. They are not showing here. In this Elementor, they are not showing here. Can you see they are not showing here, and yet they are showing here? So most of the time, it might be the network. So we are done now with everything. Can you see? Can you see all my picture here? And can you see? So this is your boy. This is either for the best CEO in the world. Very soon now, I'll be the best CEO. I'm a company, the Dleading Web Design Company Limited. Will be the best IT company in Nigeria and outside the country. By God, there is a special grace of God. Now we have done, everything is set now. Our website is set. We have done with it. I hope you guys understand now. Now the next thing now I will just do is just come to your customize. Oh, I need to show you. If you want to create a logo, maybe you want to create a logo. I need to teach you that if you don't have a logo and you want to create a logo, oh God, logo maker. You just click on logo maker. But you not put e here. You just put logo maker makr.com. So once you enter, but when this one is working, let me close this page. So you can come to your customization here. Come to customize and let's do something. So here I will be trying to do the two together. It's still loading. So let me wait. Let me done with this page first now. So let me wait for it to load. Okay, loading already. Now if you look at this now, firstly I want to show you some things here. If you look at this place, you will see powered by Astra WordPress theme. So you can change it by clicking on this icon, or you can also change it by coming to your footer, any of it. But without wasting much of our time, just click on this icon. This icon will automatically take you to where you need to make the same changes, or click on the footer, any one of it. But this one is so much faster. Can you see? When I click on this icon, it takes me to this place. You can just claim this place and say powered by Dleading Web Design, Dleading Web Design Limited. That is my company name, and I can just put my website here and say www.dleading.com. So that is how it go. Let me put my brother website there. I also want one of my brother in Cameroon, in Sweden rather. This is where I want his website. I want his website to be linked to my website also. I will put his own website there, link www. Let me claim my own, so that Google will not penalize me for using two websites. Sometimes Google might penalize me, so I will just put his own there, magic.fa. They are from Sweden, so that is how Sweden stuff used to look like. So once I'm done, I will click on publish. So anytime I do anything here, the publish if you want to make it to save here. So you can come to this place. Can you see? If you have any widget, fine. Now what I want to show you again is that now the header empty on the global. We don't have anything to do with it. We are coming to the header. Now our site is showing all these things, but if you want to create a logo, if you have a logo, you can come to this place and create new design. Just all these things. I don't want you guys to go Jerry. Oh, why do I even click on this? Now from there, if you want to create any stuff, you can just click on it. Maybe you want to create, for example, you want to create a logo for my website, the Dleading website. I will just search for Dleading. Dleading, L-E-A-D-I-N-G, Dleading, and I will click on search. So it will show me some Dleading icon. I can just let me pick this one, or let me pick this one. Once I pick this one, I can easily drag it to this place, and I can just click on test and put my name here. Just type Dleading Web Design. So I'll just drag it to this top, or let me put some space between them, and I change this color to something light. No, I don't want that. Let me use black, and I will change this one to also black. Yeah. So from then If I'm done with this, I can resize this one. I can just bring it a little bit low. I'll just drag this one. So when I'm done with it, I can also resize this one, that this one is too big. And when I'm done, I can click on the two together and save them. Once I'm done with it, when I'm done with this design app, you can change the font size, anything. If you want to change the font size, you can come here and change the font size and stuff like that. And once you are done, you just click on save your logo. And you see this save logo here. And you are done. But I'm not interested in that. Now, let me just come to where I am now. Your site identity, I have a particular logo I'll be using. Just click on site logo. If I'll be using site logo, I don't have a PNG logo. And the logo I have, I don't want to use it. So I can just use, first I will need to change the site icon. You may look at my site icon, it's showing WordPress stuff. So I will just come here and select the site logo I want to be using. I have uploaded the logo here. I just click on this one and select it. And I will automatically upload it. Can you see now? Can you see here now? My website is automatically, the logo is automatically changed. The site icon is automatically changed. So my site logo, I will be using site logo for now because of my stuff. Because I don't have. Okay, let me use my name. Let me add it up for my key. So people will only be saying my name. Add it up for my key. And I'll just go. So I will tick this one. So display site title. So which means that my website will be showing site title. Let me scroll up so that you can see what I mean. Can you see now? This is the name here. This is what will be showing as my logo. I'll click publish. Let me click go. You must always do this whenever you are doing anything. And after display, I will just click on. Let me just go back. I'm done with this, please. Now let me. It's loading. Oh, I made a mistake. Now, where? I wanted to go back, but I'll still come back to the place. I wanted to go back, but I automatically closed the custom. Now, before as this place is loading, let me go back to the place again. Now let me show you some things. Let me show you some things in this Elementor stuff here. Now, this is how our website is looking at in desktop. But most of the time, people who are viewing our website will not view it on desktop. They use mobile phone. So let's look at the responsive mode, because that's the major thing. If you are a web designer, your website must look so responsive and so good. So I will check it on tablet and I will look how it look like. I will see how it look like on tablet. See, this is how my website is looking like. Can you see? It's good. It's pretty cool. Our website is looking nice and nice and nice. So it's good. It's okay. Seriously. So let's look how it looks like on mobile phone. Let me preview. Can you see our website is good? Apart from this name is too big. I don't like it. It's too big. So I can just click on. And mind you, any changes I make here will not affect the two, maybe the desktop, and it will not affect the desktop. It will not affect the template. It will only affect this place. So I make any changes here now. I want to do any changes here. Let me just come here and come to style, my typography, and now let me do something here. Can you see how it look like now? Can you see what you are seeing? Now if you come to my desktop, tablet, can you see it looking fine? If you come to desktop, can you see it looking fine? So it will not affect. Can you see this is how it look like? So most of the time, any changes you made will not affect on tablet, will not affect it. So let me just bring it back. I think it's okay like this. I love this one. It's somehow pretty cool. And I'll click on update. Whenever you do anything, make sure you update. So once we are done with this, now we have done with Elementor. Now we don't have any issue with this. We have through with it. Our website is fine. Everything is fine. But I will not close it yet. Can you? I will not close it yet. It's fine. Our website is fine. I will not close it yet. Now let me come to my customization. I hope you guys are enjoying this training. So what do I want to do now? I want to create a menu. Let me just click on the header, and the header I will click on primary menu. My primary menu, there is nothing like disable menu. No, let me see that. Oh, come back. I'll just come to my primary header. Yeah, actually the header is not, that's not where you go. Just come to the menu. I made a mistake. So click on the menu. You see we don't have any menu here. Now let's create a menu, and let's just call our menu, I love to call it menu 1. Menu 1. All what I'm doing here, you can do it in your dashboard. I will show you where you can do it again. So once you create it, just click and make it primary menu. So you click on next. So once you create it now, you have created it now. Now let's add a page. Let's add item. You know we have a home page. Yes. Now we have a page. Having been, we have different pages in our website. We can click, we can start adding new page, add new page. But we only have one page in our website. So let's click on, you just come to this custom link. This custom link. This is where you can just click on it. Now you just type okay, about me. I just come here. Since we are having one page website, I've told us we just put hashtag about. So once anybody is clicking on this about, it will be taking them to the about section. Just after that, you click on add to menu. Now let me look to I think we have contact us here. Just contact us. And you come here again, you just type hashtag contact. You have to menu again. You have another section as web design. Just come here, you just place hashtag web design. No, we need to write it together. Hashtag web design. Yeah, you click on add to menu. You have digital content creator. Digital content creator. You just click here and just type hashtag digital content creator. You click on add to menu. What else do we have again? Let me see. We have copywriting. Copywriter. Right, and just come here. Hashtag copywriter. So you have to menu. What else do we have? We have follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we have a place of follow me. Follow me. Just come here. Hashtag follow me. We have to remember. I think it's it. Now we can arrange them. We can rearrange them. How? If about me. Let me something like that. Okay, let me publish it. So that is all we are done. We are done with this stuff now. So let me close this stuff now. Yeah. Can you see? Immediately I click on this about me, it takes me to this place. Immediately I click on web design, it takes me to this place. I realize digital content creator, copywriting, follow me, yeah. I realize that this theory is not done. Let me just go and check what's going on. Okay, these two working perfectly. Now, let's go. We don't have much time to wait. Contact us. Let me just go. We have a contact page on the website. Now, I'm done with this one. Let me just go back to my desktop. Yeah, let me scroll down. You have contact me there. No wonder. I did not have contact me there. Okay, I have a contact me here. So, I've seen the reason why this is not working. When I do it, I made the mistake and use it capital letter, which should be small letter. When I click on this contact, you see at the left hand, you see the contact us is somehow is the first capital letter is C. Let me just come back to my customization. Open another link. Let me wait for it to load. Let me just go back to my menu. Contact, small letter, design, digital content creator, copywriting, follow me, so I will save. Let me do the dashboard. Can you see now? It's work fine. Can you see it take me to this place now? So that is all about it. Follow me. Let me show you my follow me stuff. If I click on follow me, you should be able to take me. I'm not taking it to anywhere. I know what caused it. Now just come back to this place. There is not an anchor here, so I'll just come to this place and I'll search for the menu icon. And I'll just drag it to the header of this place. Yeah, I'll just put follow me. Will you follow me or what? Follow me. And don't forget, you must write it in small letter. First type follow me and your date. Let me come back and refresh my website. Now make sure you put it at the end of the place you want to. Let me just refresh. Yeah, we are done for this tutorial, and I think I've teach you everything you need to do. Now if I click on follow me, can you see it take me to the section of this place? That is how any section that is not working, just make sure you put the stuff here and you put the name accordingly, so it will work perfectly. So with this tutorial, I believe you guys have learned something. I've told you, if you don't have a logo yet, you can use your name, or you can use the name of your brand, or you can use anything. just for a start. And the reason why is because we don't have a logo. And now, I believe you gained something. Yeah. Please, if you gain it, just try to give. I'll be expecting your comments and feedback. Now, before I go, I would like to tell you this. Let me tell you again one more time. My name is Adida Michael, and I'm the CEO of Dleading Web Design Limited. And at the same time, I'm also a student of Adekunle Ajas University, and I'm studying accounting. I'm proud to be an accountant. I'm sorry. Now, this is my website. This is my website. This is my brand website. This is my website. You can read a lot. You can read a lot of things about me. Now, I would like to let you know that the reason behind my success, everything you see me becoming today, it has been Christ. I won't lie to you. It has been Jesus Christ. So I would like to encourage you and to tell you that Jesus Christ loves you and He has a good plan for you. He cares much about your life. If peradventure you are watching this video and you are a businessman and you have not given your life to Christ, or you are watching this video, you are not even doing anything and you have not yet given your life to Christ, please, I will encourage you, I will compel you to make a step of faith by giving your life to Jesus Christ. Accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and personal Savior, By doing this thing, you will enjoy more of God. God has a lot of good things for you. He cares much about your life. He wants to help you. He wants to make a way for you. He wants to build your life. He wants to support you in all your way. Please, my dear brother, I want you to give your life to Christ so that you can enjoy the best in life. The only thing you can do with your life now is for you to accept Jesus Christ. Without Christ, we are nothing. Believe me, without Christ, I am nothing. I am a very poor guy before. I am very, very poor. I have nothing then. I'm just a kind of guy that, oh God, I just thank God for the transformation that the Lord made in my life. I am once a beggar. I used to beg in the road. There's no money in my hand. I will go from street to street, start begging because I need to survive. But all of a sudden, I met Christ. Christ transformed my life. It is the reason behind my success. It is the reason behind why I'm achieving greater things in life. And I know this is just the beginning. It's taking me to a greater place. And the previous time I was telling you, I said, very soon, my web design company will be one of the leading IT companies in Nigeria and outside the country. Yeah, because I know I can't do it with my own understanding, I can't do it. But with Christ, I can do anything. So my dear brother, please, I want you to give your life to Christ. I don't know the challenges you might be facing. I don't know the difficulties you might be facing. I've once faced them, but Jesus Christ delivered me. Jesus Christ saved me. If you are passing through any challenges, I know that my Lord Jesus Christ is able to heal you, is able to deliver you, is able to set you free, is able to make a way for you. All you need to do is to give your life to Christ, to accept Jesus Christ as the Lord and personal Savior. And as you give your life to Christ, you begin to realize that your life, something good begin to happen in your life. Something miraculously begin to happen in your life. So my dear brother, I want you to give your life to Christ so that you can enjoy the best in life. God bless you. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. One more time, Jesus loves you. And I am your son, Adida Michael Sunday. You can reach out to me anytime on 09035382271. And at the same time, you can send a mail to me on adidakomichael002@gmail.com or dleadingtraining@gmail.com. You can reach out to me anytime. I love you guys and I want the best for you. And I will always do this thing. I will always impart you guys until you become great in life. My desire is for you to become great in life. I may not have anything, but once you succeed, I believe I'm also succeeding. Jesus Christ is my success, and I believe it will also help you to succeed in life in Jesus' name. So my friend, bye. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. I love you so much.